It seems that we are live. Yes. Um, Let me just make sure everything is working, being broadcasted. Um, I think this might not be being broadcasted properly. Let me just double check. We are just double checking. Yes, I think we are live. Great. Things are going great. Then I will proceed to share my screen. Um, I want to do entire screen always. Alright, ready to get going. So let's just see what the market can offer. AUD CAT could be at an important place to go down. It's a very important place, moment in price, and to where it could actually decide to start going down. Actually, I like what the pair is doing. If you see it here, this is a strong level. Um, we could see price rejecting that area, which is actually doing it already. But let me see how far it is from. Yeah, it's not too bad. I would like to sell AUD cat. Well, I don't know. This was a lower low, but then it hit to the upside, breaking so many things, breaking so many highs. So we are going to let this one pass. AD Jan, it was a trade we were before because that blue line means that was our stop loss. Um, and today price seems to be trying to get up. Nice. This is always nice to see if you are on the right side of the market. Um, so I'm not sure about this. It seems that price really wants to go visit this area again, which is far away from a possible entry. Well, it's not even that much anyway. Well, what do you think? Um, hmm. Strong area. I don't know. Actually, it's a good area, but it's an important place. So for sure, things might keep going on. And I don't see yet a sight of of price wanting to reverse. I think I wanna see some play here, right? So let's give it a break and let's see later on the day it shows us a better position, better opportunity. ADNCD just away from the entry. Um, I think we also in this one we are going to wait for something like that. I think so. Let's keep going. ADUSD still again at a very nice area. These gray areas are so strong. but this could be trying to start a flag on 4H, right? And the system wants us to sell, but 4H has kind of a bad formation for a buy. So I will have to wait on this one to see if price wants to do something like this or something like this. But right now it's too much decision going on and I don't want to mess with getting in the market too early. I think there's a 50-50 chance of anything happening. Cat CHF though, this one I love. This one it has we have to sell. Cat CHF is our first trade from 16. Oh, I made a mistake of it. I have just to adjust it here and we are fine. Alright? Goodbye. So, but what we are doing today, we are recording the bias of a currency. So we are saying here that cat CHF. So we are saying that cat um, cat selling cat CHF. If you're selling that, we are saying that cat is weak and that CHF is strong. So today we wanna be consistent in our bias. I think price is right at the moment where. Oh no! Wait, no. That was that blue line is a stop loss that we used to have, but it's not one of our lines to enter. So let me see if we should wait for price to come back at somewhere else or let me see this formation. Let me see volume here. Just made a mistake. I got confused on my lines because that line I used to use it for other purposes and the color now just entered. It was a nice entry because of that week of the session before, the day before, but other than that I think it's not one of our points where we want to enter a position anyway. It is kind of nice this with volume and then this candle larger than the one before, so i'm I'm considering leaving it like that, but for sure the stop loss is going to stay as is institutionally just 10 pips. um, it has to stay that way. All right, let's keep trading. Kajen Kajen though doing a lower low, then breaking all this, but let me just draw a Fibonacci here. It just broke the 0.61A. Kajen. I don't know what Kajen is doing. It could just keep going up. But this, yeah, this is making sense. Let me see where it is right now at. I think it's a nice place where it could reverse. Should we keep our bias of that? Well, this candle in 4H was very strong though. A very strong formation in this candle. Let's see how things are going. So I am trying to decide if we could sell Kajen too, because we could see like a flow. This is a lower low, right? It broke structure, then it came back. Unfortunately, it broke 0.61A, but a nice flow could be that, right? Um, so, Kanjian is being nice. Um, yeah, actually, I'm liking Katjen. They wanna sell this though. I will. I wish I. Let me just see volume here. Mm, my dogs. Nice site. This was a nice. Um, I like this. Let me see 3H. See, you see, price did drop structure, right? But then this was too strong. Why it had to be that strong? It should have been a little bit weaker though, right? It did something too strong to the upside. If it had been something a little bit nicer, right? But with that strength going up, I don't like it too much. And of course, um, we are just this is too strong, right? I wish it had been stronger to the downside and then weaker on the rebounds. But too strong, this, right? It's just too strong. Even though it's at a nice place to go down, I think we could enter with just the institutional stop loss of 10 pips, though, because that makes us come to a nice place. I think it will have to be 15 pips. I have my doubts, so I'm gonna have to wait and see some volume interaction to the downside. Cannot enter on that. CHF Gen is doing the kind of structure that we were the other day trying to project on it. Um, but right now, see, it did do a lower low, right? And now we will be selling a continuation. I would like to sell a continuation, but I think we're gonna wait for 0.618. I think we want to wait for 0.618, or should that just be our stop loss and trust the 0.50? Let me check volume now. This is too strong. This is a strong formation to the upside, so we cannot sell because of this, right? It's just strong going to the upside. Let's wait to see if later price is nicer to come back to a better position. Euro AUD, nice place to go up. Let me check if volume is low on the breakout of this very strong core point. And it was, I like that week on 15M. Let me just see here. This is nice. This is bad. This is bad. But this is nice. Euro AUD could be getting ready for a buy. What do you think? It broke this level. Many people had their stop right there. But I haven't seen the vacuum, right? I don't think um, I don't think there is the candle yet. I don't if I had to say, hey, what is the candle? I don't see the candle. Maybe here? I don't know. I want to wait because I want to see something crazier. to shake out every stop loss of everybody, right? Because this doesn't tell me anything yet. So I want to see a crazy candle, like boom, something like that with volume, right? With volume, boom. And then if I see that, then we want to go, we want to buy around that area or something like that. But so far, I don't see the candle, so we are not gonna enter. The trades are being negative so far. We have just one trade, CAT CHF. It is not deciding right now to go down, but this is what we are gonna waiting for. We want to see the shakeout, and I don't see it. It's not clear. At least to me, it's not clear. Look at this volume here, right? So this is what I'm saying. Shakeout, price comes down, we can buy, right? But we need something like this, some wake up call like this. And so far today, that wake up call is not happening yet. So I cannot enter. The system does not allow me. My system does not allow me to enter if I haven't seen the shakeout. Because this is where all the stop losses are hit, right? And I don't want to get hit. I want to enter after the stop loss has been hit. The massive stop loss has been hit. That's why watching these videos is great. This is a great lesson right here. I am trading live and I am at a very nice confidence to buy, but I cannot because the volume, this thing has not happened here. So it is not telling me anything. I just cannot enter if volume is not talking to me, right? So we keep going. We keep going. um, I like this. This this was nice with nice volume. This was nice too. I'm liking ear cut, like to buy. The stop loss, it is being nice. It's 26 pips stop loss. I don't have that much money, so I'm going to wait for the price maybe to be nice enough to go here, then to intend a buy. Of course, we are looking for this formation in 4H, right? I'm looking for that collar kind of a structure, but I don't have too much money for the stop loss of 22 pips, so we will wait. We will wait. See, nice volume here, nice candle, nice vacuum. I'm calling it a vacuum because it sucks all the stop loss, and then price just bombs, right? So it's kind of happening here though, but because this has nice volume, so we're going to wait to see um, if we come back a little bit later. Um, I am liking what price is doing this nice week, and then it's just very nice for a formation that I am trying for price to follow, right? This formation is beautiful. I have seen it how many times. And if you have been in trading for a while, you have seen this, right? It's kind of slow, but it pays though. But I want to see some some more shakeout for this happening. Of course, I don't want it to be perfect because if I want it perfect, then it is gone, right? If I want it perfect, it is gone. Um, but I don't want to do a stop loss of 26 pips. I'm gonna have to wait. Let me see how the other trades are doing. Winning a little bit, but not a big deal. Euro CHF though. Oh my gosh, Euro CHF, what's going on here? Euro CHF, nice place. Anyway, Euro CHF, why doesn't have the lines in there? What is this? Where are all our drawings? I don't know what happened with the lines in here. Oh, I know. Yeah, because that's not a core point for H to be drawn. Okay. It was a good, nice double top on from Asian session to London and New York session. Let me see volume here. This was very beautiful. I think we are selling this. I think we have to, we must. Let me just see what's going on in here, right? Because price could go back to this area. Let's just, it's just, this was beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh, I don't know. We are late though. The nice entry was hit around 8:45. It's kind of a head and shoulder little formation in 5M. So, but I love it. It's at the point of control where it found its rejection. So Euro CHF, yeah, and we also sold CAD CHF because we were thinking CHF would get strong, and Euro CHF here is looking promising, but I actually am not liking too much this formation. After this hit, sometimes price just keeps going on. So let's be happy we are kind of late and let's just this is too much, right? Well, but this one is nice on 45 and I think it was a nice trade to enter around here, but we missed it. And what does Mark Douglas teach? Fear of missing out. Right now, it will be an I think I have fear of missing out because this was a great entry, but I was late for this. When I saw it was here. It already went a lot. If I were to enter right now, I will need. Well, I wouldn't need that much of a stop loss actually, because this pair is kind of slow. With 15 pip stop loss, I think we will be nice. But I don't like to enter late in the market. So if price is nice enough to come back here, I will sell. But if it doesn't, I will not, because I will not obey fear of missing out. Nice place Euro GBP to go up, but it just broke, right? It broke lower low, it broke a quarter point. I think price could be poised to get all the way down here. I like this though. Boom, boom, boom. I have seen so many times this. I have seen this, right? But I don't like where it broke a lower low and also broke a quarter point. So I'm going to leave it like that for right now. Let's see how what we are doing on our only trade. It's kind of losing. It's just 9:48. It's kind of slow today. Eurogen. I like to sell Eurogen if it is nice enough to come here. We are selling. Let's wait for it to maybe get there. How about buying Euro NCD though? Hmm. Well, it broke this, right? So we could be like boom, 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 and then we could be expecting something like that. Let me just drop a little Fibonacci here. 0.618, quarter point, the time where it should happen. Now let's just see volume really quick. Um, Breaking quarter point strongly. Let me just see. This volume said, hey, I don't want to go up right now. What are we doing, right? Let me see smaller temporalities. This candle was nice because it was still to the downside, but the strength, let me just watch it really quick. Um, um, okay, this okay. Holiday in Japan. What's happening? Today is the 12th. News were easy, so things are going okay. Um, News wise, this is giving us a super nice entry. I think it's nice for to try an entry. Let's see. Yeah, let me see. Let me just change the Fibonacci colors. I'm entering Euro NCD 0.32. Okay. And then let me just register if we are buying Euro NCD. Then we are saying that Euro is strong and NCD is weak. Alright, that's what we're saying. Alright, just keep going. Euro USD, nice place to try and go up. But we could argue that it did a lower low and over here once prices is poised to keep going up. I don't want to buy here just yet. No, we are not going to buy that. GBP AUD. Oof, I'm liking what it is. Let me just see. Yes, I am loving this one. Kind of a projection to boom, 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 boom. Head and shoulders. Um, should we just get in here? Let's just see. It's a nice place, but how about volume, right? I don't know. It was too strong of a hit. It was too strong, this. Boom. So, too strong. See, GBPUD makes these kind of strong hits. See, nice volume there. Um, but this pair is so strong. I think we are going to wait and see some play from it, right? We want to play a little bit more. I'm not gonna be able to buy just yet. I think I like what it's doing, but I didn't like this though. This was too strong. So let's just let it cook. G-cat, G-cat. See, nice formation too. I always like this kind of formation, right? But why is it too strong for age? I don't know. This is getting weak. I have my doubts on GCAT. I have my doubts on GCAT. I'm gonna wait. GBP CHF makes sense, or on our bias that CHF could get strong, getting away from the zone. GBP CHF getting away from the zone, but it's too alone. It just broke that high. I don't see any volume in there. Um, See, this is a kind of a weak uh, place. It's a nice area, but why is volume shy? So I would like this bar to be here, right? And this one to be weaker. But since it just broke this high, I'm not liking it. If this high was here and this volume bar was here and this volume bar was here, yeah, we will be selling, right? But that's not the case. Price broke this high, this is weak, this is bigger. I don't want to mess with that yet. I think this live trading is beneficial. I think so. I'm not interested in selling this just yet. Even though it's in a zone and it's on a nice area. Well, actually, look at this point of control that it comes back way, way back from there, right? It's here. No, it's even there. Here, GPCHF. It's right here, but it's breaking that actually, right? So it came to retest that point of control. That's what I think I was projected strongly, but this was too much breaking of of it broke many highs. To get there, price broke so many things, and if price went and broke so much stuff, I don't like it. I think it broke so many things. It was nice trade if I could have entered 9 a.m., but I am late and I'm not going to work on the fear of missing out. Um, UNCD and CAT CHF are paying, um, but this is late, I think, because I didn't see. I want to see more. I want to see some cooperation of price. So to sell this, I would like to have this column right here, this here, right? I think I might be wrong, but I will let this one cook a little bit more, so it gives chance for this bar to get longer, I think. But anyway, let's keep trying to find more opportunities in the market. A slow morning, but thankfully your positions have been nice so far. Let me just see. how far it is from the bullet point. GJ is nice in the sense that it's making lower lows, right? So the mood of the market could be like that. It's a nice place. It's a nice place. It's at a nice place, but let me see how what happened here. This should have been stronger, I think. I'm not ready to sell GJ. Sorry about that. Sorry, I wish we could, but I think price is poised to keep going up. I think things should get worse before they get great. Things preparing for a massive downside hit, but I don't know. I'm not sure. So what do we want here to sell? I don't know. To tell you the truth, this is 50-50 and I don't like 50-50 probabilities. So I think for this one, I'm gonna have to wait for something like this and enter around here. Sorry about that. Or I hate to do that, right? But that doesn't help, of course. But I think I have no choice today on GJ. GBP and CD breaking nicely to the downside on those crazy dynamic lines. Very nice trade last week. But today I would like to drop Fibonacci right here. It's a nice place, but it just broke 0.618. Broke 0.618. Nice place to reverse though. What was volume doing? I wanna buy GBP NCD right now. GBP NCD is the next trade. 0.32. Yes. We are gonna have to stop to adjust our stop loss in this one. I hate to do that, especially with GJ. Uh, no, I think just below. I don't want to too badly. I think just right there. It's appropriate. Um, I like GJ. Of course, that was for analysis last week. Very nice trade on Friday. But today, what it's doing is kind of nice. Let me just see. It just exploded to the upside after we entered. I think I want to stop loss just right there on 5M. Oh, come on.